In the new business application, there is an update on the side menu. You can see an items menu and a profile page. Inside the profile page, you can find your banner, your logo, and your store's name. You can also see the working hours. It's a simple summary of your profile. If you are to click the support button, you can notify us where you need help. For example, you have an issue with your logo, your banner, your franchise name, or working hours. Just click whatever you need us to help with and write us what's needed. For example, there's an issue in my working hours, please contact us back with the phone number and submit the ticket, and we will get your ticket accordingly. If you go back to the side menu and you choose your items menu, this page should appear. You can swipe between your add-ons page and your products page. Inside the products, you can see all your products under each category, and now you can edit each of your products, or the add-ons, or even the portions, and put them out of stock. For example, my store does not have large pizzas, so I can go on into each pizza that I have, and I can turn off the large option so that it will not be available in the customer application. So all the orders I receive will be small and medium. So simply by going under each product and turning off the large size, it will no longer appear in the customer application, and if I am to turn a product off, all of the items under that product would also be off. And now, if I want any help in any specific product, I can click the support button next to each product and I can write exactly where do I need help. So for example, the price here should be 5 riyal instead of 4. And then the ticket will be submitted to the team and it will be updated accordingly. You can now pause your branch from receiving orders simply by touching the new button at the bottom of the application to choose the selected duration for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 12 hours, and so on. If we try the 30 minutes button and we confirm, now the branch is temporarily deactivated. You can see the timer at the top of the screen, which shows you how long remaining until your branch is auto-activated. So for example, currently it's 29 minutes. If we want to reactivate our branch, simply tap on Resume Branch, like the following: a confirmation message, please confirm by clicking yes, and once done your branch will be activated again and ready to receive orders. A new feature is also released to Wassel application. Now, if we go through the order details normally by clicking the order number, we can go through the customer's orders, and this is already supposed to be preparing. And once it's prepared and ready and we are waiting for the driver to arrive, we simply have to touch the ready button. And once the ready button is clicked and for any reason the driver did not come to pick up the order, now if we click the order details again and we scroll down, we can see the support button. And by touching the support button and clicking the not picked up button, you can now let us know what happened. So for example, no one picked up the order, and we go on submitting that. And once that is submitted, the support team will have it reviewed and they will go through it and they will update you back as soon as possible. You can also see now that there's a circle around where the timer was and it says waiting for approval. So the request is submitted and it's being reviewed by our support team. And once approved or rejected, you will be notified in the application. In case of rejection, a pop-up will appear and it says, "Sorry, your request has been rejected because the driver is on the way to your store," meaning the driver is already arriving to your store and he should be there in a few minutes. The circle will change to the driver's picture and you can rate the driver once he arrives. And the food is now picked up and going to the customer's location. You can check the order status by going to the outgoing screen. And now another example. Once we have received an order and we click on Start Preparing, it goes on the live order screen. And if we are to click the order number as shown previously, you will see the customer's orders and all the details. So now the order is preparing and in the kitchen. And once done, we are supposed to click the ready button. When we click the ready button, and for any case the driver did not come, we go down and we click the support button and we enter the reason exactly. So, not picked up, and the reason could be no one picked up the order or the driver is late, and the support team will investigate. Like the following screen, we click confirm, and now it's been submitted to support. And now, if the order disappears from your screen, from your live order screen, and it goes to the not picked up page, that means your request has been approved by our support team, and this is saved in your balance. Simply validating by refreshing the page, you can see that your request has been approved. Welcome to the new Wassel app. Now, in your home screen, you can see your live orders and outgoing orders. Here you can see the orders that are picked up and going to the customers. And also you can swipe to see your cancelled orders and also the orders that have not been picked up. Going back to the main screen, which is the page of live orders. The live orders are the orders that should be prepared by your branch. We will be demonstrating examples following in the video. This is how receiving orders in the new app looks like. First, your device will ring and an order will appear. Now you scroll down and you go through all the details. If there's an order note, please read it very carefully as it's the customer's instructions. Please note that this is also a credit card order. The customer already paid for it online. You can see that from the bottom right corner of the page. Now you can go through the order details, read the customer's note very carefully, and if you have any item that is not available, you can scroll back up and choose the item and say that it's not available in your branch. Just like the following example, tap the item that is not available and a pop-up will appear. If you click remove, it will now disappear from the driver app and the customer app, and you can resume the rest of the order accordingly. Please make sure that you tick the order note in order for you to proceed. Please make sure you enter the invoice number so that it matches in both our systems. And you can also use this later to search any order using either the order ID or the invoice number you entered. Now you can click Start Preparing and the order will be prepared. Another example of a cash order. When the customer orders in cash, you can see on the bottom right order the cash icon. Follow the same instructions, take care if there are any notes, and you can prepare the order accordingly. Now for a quick tour around the whole application. This is the login screen. Enter your username and password and login. If you have a new order, it should appear like this. Go through the order details, the specifications, and if the customer has any note. Do enter your invoice number and click Start Preparing. It should go now to the home screen. Next to each order number, you can see either the timer on how long the driver needs to arrive to the store, or in the case that you see the driver picture, that means the driver is in the store. If you see a sad face next to the order, it means that the driver has been waiting in your branch for more than 5 minutes and still did not receive the order. When the order is ready, tap the ready icon on each order number. Just like this, click on ready and the order will be ready in our system. Please help us maintain our quality standard by rating the driver. If there is anything that you don't like, tap the picture and tap thumbs down. A list of options will appear that will help us specify what issue is going on. This will be reviewed by our quality team. Now, as an example, you can see that you have two orders in your branch, one that is late for more than 5 minutes and one where the driver is arriving in 1 minute. You have one outgoing order, which is going to the customer, and if you swipe to see your cancellation, any cancelled orders, and you can also swipe to see if you have any orders that are prepared, ready, and not picked up, as demonstrated in the beginning of the video. Now back to the live screen. You can click on the side menu from the top left and you can go to your order history. In your order history, you can see the orders that you have per day. Scrolling down, this is today's sales. You can go through them, you can open them, and you can also edit to enter your invoice number. Going back, you can see yesterday's sales. If you click back again, you will go to the previous day's sales and so on. You can also filter, and using the filter to swipe between all orders, completed orders, cancelled orders, and the orders that haven't been picked up by clicking this filter and choosing the order option or status that you like. And now if you choose the other option, which is date, from, and to, you can enter to choose your sales from a date to another date. For example, 1st and 2nd November, and you will see all the orders which happened between these days. Then also a filter is applicable that you can search per status if it's completed, cancelled, etc. Please also keep in mind that you can search using either order ID or invoice ID from the top part of the section. Going back to the side menu from the top left, choose Contact Us page, and from Contact Us you can see the methods of contact that you can reach us per type of inquiry that's needed, if you have any menu change for any promotions or offers, or even to reach our call center team. Also from the side menu, from the top left, you can choose the language by tapping the language option and choosing between Arabic and English. Thank you for watching our training session. I hope everything is clear. We wish you a great day.